Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game controller or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your system restarts, now to check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to the library section on Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input, and then check whether controller is working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, first you have to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Now once done, restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, now try to check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your gamepad will be added. You have to remove it. For that, click on 3 dot icon and then click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again come back, go to the settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, and here you have to add your controller. Now after adding your controller, now check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, update your game to the latest version. So here you can see an update is available, simply click on it, and after updating the game, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, then next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. So I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now once the website opens, click on the download option. This will redirect you to the next page. From here you have to select and download DS4 Windows tool. Now after downloading it, you have to install it, and after installing, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game and then check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working issue on the Legend of Heroes Trails Beyond the Horizon game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.